Good morning, students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is human respiratory system. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is human respiratory system. Students, in previous online class we studied introduction of human respiratory system. Mostly in humans, human respiratory system divided in three parts. First is upper respiratory system, second is lower respiratory system, and third is respiratory muscles. In previous online class, it means in 1st July, we studied some parts of upper respiratory system. It means first part is upper respiratory system. In upper respiratory system include some specific respiratory organs like first nose, second mouth, and third pharynx, and next is larynx. It means four respiratory organs are included in upper respiratory system part. Nose, mouth, and pharynx we studied on 1st July. It means we studied in previous online class of science subject. Today topic is larynx. First position or location, second number 1, it means single. First is it is a connective link between laryngopharynx and trachea. Once again, it is a connective link between laryngopharynx and trachea. Next, shape. It is a small structure, shape or structure. It is small structure. Next is larynx to have 9 cartilage. Students, cartilage, it is a part of skeleton system. Mostly human skeleton is made by bone and cartilage. Once again, human skeleton made by bone and cartilage. It is strong and soft and elastic structure. It means cartilage is strong, soft and elastic structure. Next, larynx to have vocal cords. Next, larynx is a sound producing organ in human. So student, next figure of larynx. First is this is trachea part. First, this is larynx. It is small structures located between trachea and laryngopharynx. In this part, laryngopharynx. This is part trachea. Next is lower respiratory system. First is trachea. Students, this is trachea. It means structure is tube-like structure. Next, once again, shape or structure is tube-like. Next, trachea to have pseudo stratified cilia. Once again, trachea to have pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. This is columnar cilia. So trachea to have pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. And next, trachea to have C-shape ring. C-shape ring. So next, branches of trachea is two branches in lungs part. It means in lungs part, trachea divided in two branch. First branch is located in left side, so it is called left branch. Second, located in right side, so it is called right branch. It is also known primary bronchi. So once again, trachea. First, it is lower respiratory system part. Second, shape tube like. Next, to have stratified pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Next, to have C-shape ring like structures. Students, C-shape rings made by cartilage. Next, trachea divided in two branch in lungs part. First branch located in left side, so it is called left branch. Second branch located in right side, so it is called right branch. It is also known primary bronchi. It is also known primary bronchi. First is again trachea, shape tube like or tubular. Next, number one. Next, trachea to have pseudo, it means false stratified ciliated. Students, it is a fine hair like structures but microscopic in some organism like paramecium. Locomotory organ is cilia. So pseudo stratified ciliated columnar, it means pillar like this type epithelium, and C-shape cartilage ring. Once again, trachea to have pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. This is important part. And next important part in trachea is C-shape cartilage ring. Next is branches of trachea. Mostly two branches. First is right branch. Next is left branch. Students, these branches are located in lungs part. It is also known primary bronchi. Next part is bronchi and bronchioles. They are lower respiratory part. First, in figure, students, this is primary bronchi. This is primary bronchi. Primary bronchi divided in secondary bronchi. It means branch of primary bronchi is called secondary bronchi. It means secondary bronchi is a branch of primary bronchi. Next is secondary bronchi divided to other branch. It is called tertiary bronchi. It means tertiary bronchi is a branch of secondary bronchi. Next is a branch of tertiary bronchi is bronchioles. This is bronchioles, and bronchiole, this part is initius part, this part is terminal part. In terminal part of bronchioles located alveoli. It is also known capillaries. So once again, trachea divided in two part. In lungs part, first is left branch, second in right branch. It means trachea divided in two branch in lungs part. First in left side left branch, second in right side right branch. These branch are also known primary bronchi. Primary bronchi again divided other branch. It is called, this is secondary bronchi. Secondary bronchi divided to other branch. This branch is called tertiary bronchi. tertiary bronchi divided to other branch. This is a branch of tertiary bronchi is bronchioles, and a terminal part of bronchioles is called alveoli. So this is the figure of bronchioles. So first is trachea, next is branch of trachea is primary bronchi. Number of primary bronchi is 2. This is number. First is right branch, because this branch located in right side. Next is left branch, this branch located in left side. Next, primary bronchi divided to other branch. This branch is called secondary bronchi. Secondary bronchi divided to other branch. This is called tertiary bronchi. Tertiary bronchi divided to other branch, it is called bronchioles. Next, terminal part of bronchioles is alveoli. Students, in humans approximately 30 million alveoli, it means about 30 million alveoli located in lungs. Next, primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli, they are located in lungs part or in lungs organ. It means they are it means primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. Students, branch of primary bronchi is called secondary. So secondary bronchi is a branch of primary bronchi. Next, secondary bronchi to divided tertiary bronchi branch. It means tertiary bronchi is a branch of secondary bronchi. Next, bronchioles is a branch of, once again, bronchioles is a branch of tertiary bronchi. Next, alveoli is a terminal part of bronchioli. It is a terminal part of bronchiole. So students, once again, secondary bronchi is a branch of primary bronchi, tertiary bronchi is a branch of secondary bronchi, bronchioles is a branch of tertiary bronchi, and alveoli is a terminal part of alveoli, bronchioles. So primary bronchi branch, secondary bronchi branch, tertiary bronchi branch, bronchioles terminal part is also known alveoli or capillaries. and capillaries. Capillaries. So students, trachea and bronchi and bronchioles completed, and next lower system part is lungs. We studied in next online class. So thanks. Have a nice day.